Yo, let's talk about sound design. This is another way of spicing up your videos, but before we get into it, check out this video.
Yeah, yeah. Drinking milk, turn me to a superhero. Yeah, yeah. Hit that pill, turn me to a super.
And without the sound effects, this is how the video looks like, or rather sounds like.
Yeah, yeah. Drinking dope, turn me to a superhero.
Personally, I think the video looks okay without the use of sound effects, but using these sound effects can help elevate your videos. There are 3 sound effects that I recommend. 1, risers, 2, hits, 3, whooshes. These can help build tension, add more impact, and they can also help with easing out transitions.